to Jazzy Ragbags. Today we're going to make our very first rag bag. Let's have a look in the box. What's inside? Ooh, lots of scarves. Black scarves. So first of all, I'm going to wrap this one around my arm. It's nice and furry, so I think we should make a furry animal. So, and another black furry scarf. With this one, I'm going to make some legs. So we'll wrap it round there. Now, have I got two little legs there? Oh, what's in the box? Two little shoes. What colour are the shoes? Red shoes, that's right. So we'll put the feet in the shoes. Now what does he need? I think he needs a head. Oh, another black furry scarf. What can we do with this? I think if I tie it... Look! A little head! Now, how is he going to see? What does he need? Some eyes, that's right. So to make some eyes, we'll put his head down. In the box, we've got a sheet of stickers. They're very big stickers. And I have some scissors. So if we cut out a circle for an eye, it's better if you ask somebody to help you to do this. So there, you can see, have a little circle. We need how many eyes? 2 eyes. So we need 2 of those. And I think if you use a pen, you can also draw another circle inside. So let's hold his head. These are ones I made earlier. There's one eye. Hee-hee. There's another eye, 2 eyes, and I also made him a little nose. It's a little bit wonky, but he looks funny. And we've also got a little red scarf to go around his neck. Woo! He's got a little red collar on, hasn't he? Now then, what do you think? Our very first little rag bag. Hello there, you're saying hello to the children. Why don't you see what you can make at home? Maybe you can make your own rag bag with some old scarves. Come back soon and see what else we're making. Come again soon. Bye-bye. Subscribe to our channel and click here for more fun videos. Jazzy Ragbags!
Jazzy Ragbags!